How to delete blocked contacts on WhatsApp. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete the blocked contacts on WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step that we'll take is open up our WhatsApp. After you've opened up your WhatsApp, head over to the settings that is on the bottom right. After you do that, to check your block list, head over to privacy. Now on your privacy, scroll down and you should see the blocked contacts. Tap on it and this is the list of your blocked. Now what you can do to remove these contacts from your block list is the only way that you can do is you will simply need to unblock them. You cannot actually delete the block list. You can just delete the you unblock them and then delete their contacts later on. And that is the only way you can delete the blocked contacts on WhatsApp. So you cannot actually delete them when they're on your block list. So all you have to do is unblock them, tap on unblock for whichever you want and empty your block list. After you do that, you can head back to your contacts and then delete their contacts altogether. And that is how you delete blocked contacts on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.